Dancehall recording artist Shenseea received 4 Grammy nominations due to rule change. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So the Grammy Nation nominees are in the air right now, and I can tell you that this is a talk about topic that many people have been talking about. And dancehall recording artist Shenseea was very elated that she copped her 4 Grammy nominations, including for the prestigious Album of the Year category, due to a change in the rule that is now credited featured artists on works which featured album. They are automatically nominated in this. So she is named among dozens of featured engineers, songwriters, producers, artists, and also mixers who contributed to Kanye's West Donor album, which has given the rapper his first Grammy nomination since graduation in 2007. So the dancehall recording artist Shenseea took to her social media platform in order just to update fans and her friends about the Grammy nominations. So this was what she wrote. Even when I feel low, the blessings continue to flow. Who could it be but God? I had to get up out my bed for one 4 Grammy nomination. Wow. The 25-year-old whose given name is Shenseea Lee, that's what she posted on her Instagram. So a number of other Jamaicans are up for the Grammys, including Sean Paul, Spice as well, Grams Morgan, and also a number of other individuals as well. So the 64th Grammy Nomination Award were announced on Tuesday, and Donna, which is Kanye's West album, is one of the top 10 projects vying for Album of the Year. The Big Four General Fields album include a number of others as well, and Shenseea is very elated based on this milestone accomplishment in her musical career. Shenseea as well, who was recently nominated for Best Reggae Act at the MOBO Award, posted that she received nomination for Best Rap Album, Best Dance Electronic Music Album for Tiny on Major Lazer Music in the Weapon, she stated as well. So Shenseea joined a number of other acts on the Grammy stage, and we're just hoping for the best for this to come. As you know, they're representing for our country and they're representing for our music. So the Grammys Award will be held on January 31, 2022 at the Staples Center in Los Angeles, United States, and Shenseea is set to release her album in the year 2022 on the Russian Rich Immigrants label, a joint venture between Interscope Records as well. So it's a really good look for Jamaica right now, going up for the Grammys this year, and a number of Jamaican acts and musicians are up for this top spot for the 64th Grammy Awards, slated for January 2022 in Staples Center, Los Angeles. I can tell you, it's a good look for the Jamaicans going up for the Grammys this year. But you can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know, who do you feel will up this one out the Grammys for this year? And I can tell you, Spice seemed very excited as well, and a number of other musicians as well that have been nominated seem very excited about this specific Grammy nomination. However, we just have to wait and see who will be victorious in the end. Well, this has been Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Thanks for watching. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. This is where we're signing out for this one. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV.